Hello friends, welcome to my reading channel. Today we're going to read my first tool kit. So let's open our kit. My friends are here to help me plan something we can make by hand. I have a real first tool box now. I want to build I am learning how. We mark the wood and measure twice. Each piece we make looks very nice. While we paint, we have such fun. Our work here is almost done. Then, once the tools are put away, a happy family comes to stay. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story. Bye.